So we have a very bullish update for BBIG, which is the 8K has been filed, and you can see it here. We have the 8K form, and from this form the price is still going down even though with this great news. And we have even other good news for BBIG. You can see it here with me, which is about the valuation. This is maybe why there is a delay in the PR drop, because they need a certain elements in place before they announce the merger. And I know it's hard to be angry with this kind of situation. Most, if not all, person holding are down at least 50% to 75% or greater with both BBIG and Tide, of course. You just have to assess this play week after week. We unfortunately are not in control, and it's hard to know who to trust. I believe Ted wants this to succeed, so only time will tell. Try not to get emotional, of course. Trust me, this is hard with this current ongoing situation, because if we go in the chart and see what's going on, there is something happen exactly where the last day in the last month, here exactly around the 30th of June. You see what's happened? We have pre-market went up, then we went down, we didn't hold. We went until the $1.58 and the price went down, and from there, you see, before we have accumulation, and the day after we have the pre-market and price go up, I think 20%, we went crazy down and went below the $1. So there's something happened. Here we should actually went to the $2.20 and we have our squeeze. From just the chart, I see something happened here. So there's a big thing happened around the $1.32. Short seller heavily shorted BBIG. And there is a chance for us or for Abe's actually squeeze BBIG to the $2.22 and have the short seller to buy back their share. It almost happened. Just from looking at the chart, it almost happened in the 30th of June, but the short actually won the game. You know why? Because they borrow share, they do a lot of things. They could actually win the game, even if we or the apes buy and buy and buy, they borrow more share to short the stock. So here they did everything in their power to short BBIG, and that's what happened, because we talked about last time we did the update for BBIG. We said the $1.32 we should hold it, because here we confirmed the jump again, and we're gonna have the squeeze around the $2.20, but we didn't. Now what we should expect, because we get a lot of question and a lot of people don't understand what's going on, because if we go on all the numbers, CTB's levels and short squeeze, we see everything actually with BBIG, and the squeeze will happen soon. But there's something we can control, which is the dark pool, because this is kind of, we can control what's happened behind the scene. The only thing that we can control is the chart breaking support or resistance, give us signal. Either the short are in control or won the game for this kind of level, or the apes or the retrade trader won the game or not by holding the support and breaking resistance. At the moment, we have an important support to hold around the 0.92. Just remember that BBIG is pretty volatile. We have a sharp drop, as you can see back in time when we actually went around the $4. If everybody remember last year in June, the price dropped from the $4 until the $1. And see what happened. In just one day, we squeezed around the 20th August 2021, and guess what? The price went until the 8th, doubled the price. So this is crazy. So BBIG have a potential for squeeze. So here there is a potential for another squeeze if we just hold above this level around the 0.90 and expect volatility. In just one day the price will go around the $2.20. However, the $2.20, for my opinion, will confirm, are we gonna go back toward not the $4 this time, is the $3.60 and beyond, test after the $2.20. But always think there is a resistance, it will be tested. It can't be happening in just one day and we're gonna go in $5 or $6. Whenever price you have imagined, we have to test. What I mean, the price will go $2.20, test, get rejected, but holding higher lows and going higher again. So this is how you should think about the market. The markets go up and down. However, in this kind of condition in the market with BBIG, there is no rational thinking. We're gonna see a squeeze. The squeeze will confirm if we don't have a rejection around the $2.22 and spike in the second day. This will confirm like a potential squeeze and breaking for 2 support, 3 support. But always take a profit and the way. Hopefully that was clear and informative. If you have any question, let me know in comment section below. Some people said they're never gonna sell BBIG until will be $100 and for tide for $60 or $50, whatever. Which price you think that BBIG will go to, at least for this year? For my opinion, will go to $3.60 first, and the $2.20 will confirm the squeeze toward the $3.60. And of course, we're gonna do updates daily and weekly and even live streaming for BBIG. So hit the notification and like button so you never miss any of my future updates for BBIG stocks, you name it, we cover it here. So see you in the next video.